Hello grade 5. Today we continue our revision sheet. We solve from 31 to 40. Number 31. Find the sum in simplest form. 3 over 4 plus 2 5 over 16. We make before the sum of the two whole number. 3 plus 2 equal 5. And then we make the sum of the two fractions, 3 over 4 plus 5 over 16. We write the two times table, 4 and 16. 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. 16 is 16, 32, and so on. So the common smallest number is 16. So we write two fractions with 16 down. So 3 over 4 become 16 divided by 4 equal 4. 4 times 3 equal 12. So the new fraction is 12 over 16. 5 over 16 is 16 divided 16 equal 1. 1 times 5 equal 5. So the new fraction become 5 over 16. Then we make the sum of the two fractions, 12 over 16 plus 5 over 16 equal, the denominator remain the same, and we make the sum of the numerator, 12 plus 5 equal 17. So we have 17 over 16. But 17 is bigger than 16, so we make a division. We make the division 17 divided by 16 is equal 1 with the remainder of 1. So we have the three numbers 1, 16, and 1. So you write 1 alone and 1 over 16. So the result is the sum of the 5 and 1 over 16. So it's equal 6, 1 over 16. So the answer is A. Number 32. Also here we want the sum in simplest form. 10, 5 over 8 plus 19, 11 over 12. 9 plus 19 is equal 29. Then we make the sum of the two fractions, 5 over 8 plus 11 over 12. We write the two times table and we find that the smallest number in common is 24. So we write two fractions with 24 down. Now we write the two old fractions with 24 in denominator. So 5 over 8 become 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. So 5 over 8 become 15 over 24. 11 over 12, if we make 24 divided 12 equal 2, 2 times 11 equal 22, become 22 over 24. So we make the sum of the two fractions that we can find, that we have found. So it's 15 plus 22 over 37, and 24 remain the same. As in the exercise before, here numerator is bigger than denominator. So what we make the division. So we have the three numbers 1, 24, and 13. So we can write it as 1, 13 over 24. So we make the sum of the two results that we have found. So 29 and 1, 13 over 24. If we make the sum, we have 30, 13 over 24. We make the sum only of the two whole number. So the answer is D. Is the same exercise, number 33. We want to find the sum, so we make the sum of the two whole number. Then so 3 plus 9 equal 12. And then we make the sum of the two fractions, 1 over 3 plus 7 over 15. We write the two times table and we find that the smallest common number is 15. So we write two fractions with 15 down. So 1 over 3, if we make the division 15 divided by 3 equal 5, 5 times 1 equal 5. The second fraction, 7 over 15, we make 15 divided 15, 1 times 7 equals 7. So the second fraction remain the same. We make the sum, so we have 5 plus 7 equal 12 over 15. 12 is equal 3 times 4 and 15 is 3 times 5. So we have in common the number 3. So we can divide it up and down by 3. So we make 12 divided 3 equal 4. 15 divided 3 equal 5. So we have that the result is 4 over 5. So the two result, the sum of the whole number is 12, the sum of the fraction is 4 over 5. We write it one near of the other, so it's 12 4 over 5. So the answer is B. (34) We want again to find the sum. So we make again the sum of the two whole number. So 7 plus 2 equal 9. The sum of the two fractions, 2 over 3 plus 4 over 21. We write the two times table, 3 and 21. Then we find that the number in common is 21, so we write it on denominator. So we transform the two old fraction into new fraction with 21 on denominator. So we make 21 divided by 3 equals 7, 7 times 2 equals 14. So 2 over 3 become 14 over 21. 4 over 21, we have 21 divided 21 equal 1, 1 times 4 equal 4. So is remain the same, 4 over 21. If we make the sum, we have 14 over 21 plus 4 over 21 is equal 18 over 21. 21 remain the same. 18 is 3 times 6. 21 is 3 times 7. The number in common is 3. So we make 3 divided by 3 up and down. 18 divided 3 equals 6. 21 divided 3 equals 7. So is equal 6 over 7. So we have that the sum of the whole number is 9. The sum of the fraction is 6 over 7. So the result is 9, 6 over 7. Sorry. (35) We have big number. In the exam it will not be this big number. So we make the sum. So we make 25 plus 47 equals 72. The sum of the two whole numbers. Then we make the sum of the two fractions. 3 over 4 and 7 over 10. We write the two times table. The times table of 4 and times table of 10. We found that the smallest number in common is 20. So we write two fractions with 20 on denominators. So now we want to transform the two old fractions into new fraction with 20 on denominators. So we make 3 over 4. So we make 20 divided by 4 equal 5. 5 times 3 equal 15. So 3 over 4 become 15 over 20. 7 over 10, 20 divided by 10 equal 2. 2 times 7 equal 14. So the other fraction become 14 over 20. We make the sum is 29 over 20. But we don't want that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we make the division. We have 1, 20, and 9. So it's 1, 9 over 20. We make the sum, so it's 72 plus 1, 9 over 20. We make the sum of the two whole numbers, so it's 73, 9 over 20. So the result is A. (36) Here we don't use the fraction bar. And we want to know the difference. We have 2, 1 over 8 minus 5 over 8. We transform the mixed number in a fraction. So we make 2 times 8 plus 1 minus 5 over 8. This is remain the same. So 2 times 8 is equal 16. So it's 16 plus 1 over 8 minus 5 over 8. 16 plus 1 is 17. So it's 17 over 8 minus 5 over 8. We have the same denominator. So we can't write the two times table. We have the same denominator, so we can use it immediately. So we make 17 minus 5 is equal to 12, and 8 remain the same. 12 is 4 times 3. 8 is 4 times 2. So we have the 4 up and the 4 down, so we can divide it up and down. So 12 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is equal 3. 8 divided by 4 is equal 2. So we have 3 over 2. 3 is bigger than 2. So what we make? We make division. So if we make the division, we have 1, 2, and 1. So the result is 1, 1 over 2. The result so is B. (37) Also here we don't use the fraction bar and we want the sum. So we make the sum of the two whole number. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then we make the sum of the two fractions. 3 over 4 plus 3 over 8. We write the 2 times table and we find that the smallest number in common is 8. So we write the two fractions with 8 on denominator. We transform the old fraction in new fraction with 8 on denominator. 3 over 4 we make 8 divided by 4, 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 over 8, 8 divided 8 equal 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. So our new fraction is 6 over 8 and 3 over 8. We make the sum of this fraction, so we have 9 over 8. 9 is bigger than 8, so we make long division. We found the three number 1, 8, and 1. So the result is 1, 1 over 8. So we make the sum of the 2 and 1, 1 over 8. The result is 3, 1 over 8. So the answer is A. (38) Here we have a difference. The difference is the same of the sum, but in the place of plus, we make minus. We have the two whole numbers, 5 minus 1 equal 4. And then 3 over 5 minus 1 over 10. We write the 2 times table. We find that the smallest number in common is 10. So we write two fraction with 10 on denominator. We transform the old fraction in new fraction. So we have 3 over 5, we make 10 divided by 5 equal 2, 2 times 3 equals 6, so it's 6 over 10. 1 over 10 is 10 divided by 10 equal 1, 1 times 1 equal 1, so 1 over 10 remain the same. We make the subtraction between the two fractions, it will be 5 over 10. 5 is 5 times 1, 10 is 5 times 2, so we can make divided by 5 down and up. 5 divided 5, 1. 10 divided 5, 2. So the result is 4, 1 over 2. (39) We have the difference of the two mixed number. So now we want to transform the two mixed number in fraction. So we make 12 times 7 plus 1 over 12 and 4 times 2 plus 3 over 4. So 12 times 7 equal 84. 84 plus 1 is equal 85 over 12. The other one, 2 times 4 equal 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. So is 85 over 12 minus 1 minus 11 over 4. We write the 2 times table, 4 and 12. We find that the smallest number is 12. So 85 over 12, if we make the division and then multiplication, we found 12 divided 12 equal 1. 1 times 85 equal 85. So remain the same. The other one is 5 over 4 is 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 11 equal 33. So it's 33 over 12. So 85 over 12 minus 33 over 12 equal 52 over 12. But 52 is bigger than 12. So we make the division. We have 4, 12, and 4. So you can write 4 over 12. 4 over 12. 4 is 4 times 1. 12 is 4 times 3, so we have 4 and 4, so we can divide it up and down by 4. So we have 4 divided 4 equal 1, 12 divided 4 equals 3. So the result is 4, 1 over 3. So the answer is C. The last one. We have a difference. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. And then we have the two fractions, 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6. We write the two fractions, we found that 12 is the smallest number in common. Then we transform the two old fraction into new fraction with 12 on denominator. We have that 3 over 4 is equivalent to 9 over 12. And 1 over 6 is equivalent to 2 over 12. We make the difference, we have 9 over 12 minus 2 over 12 equals 7 over 12. So the result is 6 and 7 over 12. So is B. Good study and bye.